How to record a video in Instagram Edits app. I'm gonna guide you through the process on how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, launch the Edits app. After you are in the app, make sure that you are logged in with your account. After you are logged in, you will see this kind of app interface. Now, in order to record a video using this Instagram Edits app, here in this home screen, in the bottom right corner, you can see the record icon. If you tap on it, it will ask for your permission in order to allow your access to the camera and the microphone. So you can tap on continue, allow the permissions as your preference. After that, it will open up your camera. Now you can start recording a video. You can simply tap on this red button and you can tap on it again in order to stop the recording once you are done. Once the video is recorded, you can edit that video further. You can add text, you can add stickers, you can edit them as per your desires. So that's it. That's how you can easily record video in Instagram Edits app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.